So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Introduction to Database System, week second, assignment second. So the first question is, an entity type may have more than one attribute, true or false. So let's check the explanation. So explanation says attributes, each entity is described by a set of attributes properties. So the answer of our first question is A, true. And now let's go to our question number 2. A relationship type may have more than one attribute, true or false. So let's check the explanation. So explanation says relationship types can also have attributes. So the answer of our second question is also A, true. And now let's go to our question number 3. A strong entity type always has a key. True or false? So the answer for our third question is true. And now let's go to our question number 4. A weak entity type always has a key. True or false? So now let's check the explanation. So explanation says weak entity set may not have a key attribute. So the answer of our fourth question is false. And now let's go to our question number 5. Suppose total salary attribute of employee entity type is computed using attributes base salary, HRA and other allowances. Choose the most appropriate type of attribute total salary. So these are the option and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says derived attribute value is dependent on some other attribute. So the answer of our fifth question is D, single value and derived. And now let's go to our question number 6. Suppose works for is a relationship type with two participating entity types, employee and company. Say it represents the full-time job of the employees. What is the appropriate cardinality ratio for employee company? So these are the option and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says many to many. An E2 entity may be associated with many even entities, whereas an even entity may be associated with at most one E2 entity. So the answer for our sixth question is B. And now let's go to our question number 7. Suppose bank account is a relationship type with two participating entity type person and account in a bank. What is are the possible cardinality ratios for person such that account? So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is D. All cardinality ratios are possible. And now let's go to our question number 8. Suppose a sign is a many to one relationship type with two participating entity types employee and department. A maximum of 7 employees are assigned to a department. If in the ER diagram the line that connects employee to the relationship type assigned is to be labeled with X, Y using minimum maximum nations, choose the correct option. So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is B. X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1. And now let's go to our question number 9. Consider the statements given below. So statement first says the owner of a weak entity is always a strong entity. And statement second is the entity set must be disjoint. So choose correct option. So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is B. Statement first is true but statement second is false. And now let's go to our question number 10. Consider the following sets. So statement first, P such that strong entity, Q such that weak entity, R relationship, S multi-valued attribute. Statement second, W such that double line rectangles, X diamond, Y rectangle, Z such that double line ellipses. Choose the correct match between statement first and statement 2. So these are the option and the answer for our 10th question is C. And now let's go to our question number 11. Consider the following attributes of the various entity types. So these are the entities and consider the typical modeling situation about the given domain and choose the false statement. So these are the option and the answer of our 11th question is B. Attribute A2 may be a key attribute of customer entity. And now let's go to our question number 12. Consider two entity set A is equal to A, B, C, D and B is equal to W, X, Y, Z and they participate in a relationship R. The instances of R are given as dash, which of one of the following is correct? So these are the option and the answer of our 12th question is D. And now let's go to our question number 13. Consider two entity sets A is equal to A, B, C, D, E and B is equal to W, X, Y, Z and consider a relation R as a many to one relationship from entity set A to entity set B. Assume that A and B participate totally in R. Which one of the following is true about R? So these are the option and the answer of our 13th question is A. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing. you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.